Hi, this is Neil Cole from Conversion Uplift. Today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of registering parameters for events in GA4. So the event report is one of the most useful reports in GA4, allowing you to track unique events. But most events are quite generic. And so when you click on an event, so we're going to click on the Rage Click event here, you should be able to then select the individual parameters that the event fires. So if I click on this, we see there are no parameters showing. And that's because the parameters for Rage Click haven't actually been registered in GA4. So what you need to do is go to the admin, so it's here, for that, and go to custom definitions. Okay, and here you've got custom dimensions and custom metrics. Now, if we look at our GTM setup and the Rage Click event, we can see here that a number of different parameters are sent: rage element, element name, and count. So they're the parameters we need to register, and then they'll show up in the GA4 console. So we'll do rage element first. What you do is it's a custom dimension, not a metric. So we're going to click on create custom dimension. Now, if you're already firing these parameters, so you're firing the event with the parameters, then the parameter will actually show up in here. So we click on rage and then you see rage element, it's already showing up. If it's not, don't worry about it, just type it in. We use the convention of lowercase with an underscore between each name, each word. So just give it a dimension name, so it's rage. And just do the same for description. So you've done that, it's an event. So what we need to do is we're going to save that rage element. Okay, let's check that's all done. Let's save that. Yep, great. Okay, so that was the first one. Then we've got element name, which is already registered, and then we've got count. Now let's see if count is already there. We can't see count, so we're gonna do count. So just create a new dimension again, click count. And yeah, count is there. So what we might do is it's specific to rage. Exponential rage count. Okay. Now we save that. Now we'll also notice is that there are certain inbuilt parameters that Google defines, like link URL. What we've discovered is that they're not always showing up in the console either. So you do need to register those inbuilt parameters, which we've done in here. The other thing is you can't use the event unique error event called error. So don't use that. Make sure you call it like JavaScript error like we have. Error won't work in the console. For metrics, it's a very similar process. So we've got page performance, which we'll find here. So performance timing event in GA4. This has got a number of parameters again. So it's got page load time, page download time, which we registered. It's got DNS time. So let's just go back to the console, and it's a metric. So it's called DNS. Let's see if it comes up. It does, DNS time. There you go. So click on that, and then we'll put DNS time in here. Then copy that to speed up the process. Put that in description as well. You don't have to put description if you want. And then you need to make sure you use the unit of measurement. In this case, it's milliseconds rather than seconds. So make sure you get it right. And you just save that, and that's all good. So there you go. That's the how to register custom dimensions and metrics. Hope you found that useful, and we'll be posting more videos shortly. Okay, thank you.